Apple is about to drop a brand new iPhone SE, and it's going to be completely different from what we're used to. If you've been following the SE lineup, you know it's always been about taking an older iPhone design, throwing in a new chip, and calling it a day. Well, not this time. If you think back, the first iPhone SE looked just like the iPhone 5S. Then Apple recycled the iPhone 8 design for the second and third models. But the SE4, it's finally breaking free from that pattern. Rumors say this one is getting a fresh, modern design, something closer to the iPhone 14, but with its own twist. No more chunky bezels, no more home button. Instead, we're talking an all-screen OLED display with Face ID. Yeah, you heard that right. Face ID on an SE model. And while previous SE models always kept things simple with a single camera, this time, Apple is reportedly upgrading that too. It might not have multiple lenses like the Pro models, but the camera is expected to be way better than anything we've seen on an SE before. We will probably see the new 48 megapixel camera. Now, let's talk price. The current SE sits at $429, which makes it one of the most affordable iPhones. But with all these upgrades, it's probably going to cost a bit more. Some sources say around $500, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. Either way, it's going to be the most advanced SE ever, so that price bump might be worth it. Here's where things get interesting. There have been rumors flying all over the place about the release date. First, people thought it was coming last week. Didn't happen. Now, insiders are pointing to a launch within the next few days. Some even say pre-orders could open as soon as February 21st, with the official release happening by the end of the month. If that's true, we're really close. There's another angle to this. The current iPhone SE isn't even available in some places like the EU, Switzerland, and Northern Ireland, because it still uses the old Lightning connector. This new version will finally switch to USB-C, making it available in more markets. Plus, Apple's reportedly testing its first in-house modem with this model, which could mean big things for the future of iPhones. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the SE finally getting a proper redesign? Or do you think Apple should have kept it more affordable? Let's chat in the comments. And hey, if you want to stay updated on all things Apple, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.